Be here and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I want you to stop what you're doing and hit the subscribe button so that you never miss a video from me, and doing so would make me very much so appreciative. Okay guys, so the natural hair community has been hype over this Eco Styler Gold Gel. I got my hands on it, and so here it is. I got my hands on it. And I am eager to see what it'll do for me today. I've seen a lot of nays. I don't even think I've seen one yay. But let's just see what it'll do for me. Okay, y'all? That's pretty much all I got to say on that note. So I'm just going to, yeah, I'm going to get right on to it. When I ordered it, my gel was busted at first. They did a great job at making sure gel was spilt everywhere when I got it. It smells good. It smells good. But I start off with freshly washed hair, and I'm telling y'all, I use the Africa's Best Moisture Renewal shampoo conditioner, and baby, my hair, it feels so freaking soft. Oh my God. Yeah, it feels so soft. Anyways, I'm being extra for no reason tonight, y'all. So, yeah, let me just go ahead and see what this Eco Styler can do for me. You know, it says that this Eco Styler Gold is mixed with olive oil, shea butter, and black castor oil and flaxseed. Maximum shine 10, maximum hold 10 for all hair types, and totally alcohol free. Let's see. I'm just re-wetting it because it dried up a little bit while I did my makeup. Y'all know I can't be coming on camera looking bold. I mean, I have, but yeah, okay. Tonight I didn't want to, at least. All right. Yeah, well. Alright, let's see. I know hair typing really is technically like not frowned upon, but people don't really focus on it. But my hair type is pretty much 3C, 4A, so I have both coily and curly textures in spots of my hair. So yeah, that's where we're gonna go with that. I've seen a couple type 4 reviews, but I'm kind of like not both, but yeah, both. I mean, it goes on good. Don't get me wrong. It goes on great, but it's like the curls are forming, yeah, but it's like I really don't know how to feel right now about it. It's like it's not really defining them like how I was really hoping them to. So let me just go in some more with it, because you know, like it's no doubt it's curling my hair for sure. I got some shedding here, guys, I'm sorry, but no doubt it's curling it, but I don't know so far. Major shedding. It smells so good, like so good. Like, do y'all see that? Like, it's almost like it's curling it, but at the same time, it's like not defining it. Like, it's not, like, and I'm going to just show y'all this with a little bit more product on my hand. Like, I don't even feel like I should have to put this much on my hair. So now I feel like I just weighed my curls down because I just slapped a lot more in my hand just to see like what the heck is going on. Okay, it's like, it's curling my hair, but yet it's like, it's sitting on top of it. It's like, where's the definition? Where's the definition at? Like, where's the definition? You see that? Like, where is it? Where is it? I don't really think like, I don't even really want to go through the whole rest of my hair with it. Like, I'm not even lying. Cause I feel like it's gonna be frizzy before it even dry. Cause it's not even stopping to frizz now. That's crazy. This freaking jar was $18 freaking. Like, $18, the most I have ever spent on a product. I usually wait till like a sale come around or like a holiday, something to avoid paying the full price because let's just be honest, I am a cheapo. Yeah, I'm a cheapo. I'm a cheapskate. And I just don't like spending a lot of money on products. Like, I don't, but I don't know what they thought when they was doing this. It sounds good, yeah. Mixing up all the stuff that everybody like in their hair. Olive oil, shea butter, and black castor oil, and flaxseed. It sounds like it's finna be the bomb. But if that's the case, where the hell is my definition at? What? Where's my definition at? I feel like with this product, it's one of those products where you buy it one time, and that's it. I just, you know, I'm just waiting like, okay, where's the pop? I'm excited. I done stalked the mailman. He came up on me and I'm like, I hurried up and snatched the box out of his hand and everything. And I'm just like, I don't even need to see how it's going to be dry because I don't even like it how it is now. I know once it dries up, it's going to be a mess. And all I'm going to wind up doing is putting it in a puff for the next couple days because I don't like, when I do my hair, I don't like to go back and retouch my hair. Like, I like to do low manipulation. So, like, I just don't like to go back and just to keep touching on my hair. So if it's something that like works out with my hair, I usually just put it in a puff. But this is unfreaking believable. I just feel like the curls are there. Definitely. But I just don't feel like it's worth the hype that they were proclaiming it to be oh, it's this, it's that. It's really not. Maybe this product would be more beneficial to one that has very curly hair and not coily hair, because my hair is both curly and coily, but I just don't see it being, like, it's not letting me be great. But this is just not worth the hype. Oh my God. I'm like mad. I'm like real life mad. Like it, like look, I should have to do all that. Like pop like you say it's gonna pop. Instead, I'm just disappointed. I'm just disappointed. This Eco Styler Gold. I'll use it because I paid 18 freaking dollars for it. But it won't be like, it'll just have to be something like maybe a twist out or a braid out or something. Maybe something that I don't expect to like just do it for me off back. This is not wash and go material for me. Not at all. I am unimpressed with you, Eco Styler. And for 18 bucks, you better hope I don't dispute it on my dang on credit card. Damn it. This is not worth 18 bucks, Eco Styler. Not. You all be ashamed of yourself. But I'm still use my other one, my black, my flaxseed and black castor oil. I'm gonna continue to use that one, and now I continue to buy that one. But this Eco Gold, you can have this back, baby. I don't want it. I just don't like. My hair's still frizzy. It's like it already looked like a couple days old. So no. Like maybe I have to like play with it. Maybe you have to like pair it with something to like see what it'll be like. But for right now, I'm gonna just go with you really don't have to run out and buy this product. No. You can stick with the other Eco Stylers and be just fine. You do not have to run out and buy this one. This is just not worth the hype. It's not worth your $18. No, it's not worth it. So keep your coins, sis. Keep your coins. It's not worth it. I'll stick with what I know. And like I said, maybe I'll use this in like a case of an emergency or something. Or maybe I'll just try with another product. But for right now, I'm giving this a straight up thumbs down. This ain't worth it. Alright guys, so I decided to come back and show you how my hair looks dry after the Eco Styler Gold. And I look like somebody's ancient mama. I don't like it. The shrinkage is so real. My curls are so frizzy. Like some of my curls, they just look a mess. It looks like I just slapped some anything in my hair. And yeah, this is not cool. Like look at it. Like I definitely am not gonna wear my hair like this today. No. I'm definitely gonna do something else different, because this shrinkage is even more real. Like I don't like a lot of shrinkage in my hair. I don't mind it because I'm still in TWA status, but a whole lot of shrinkage like this kind of gives the impression like my hair has like a kind of like almost tapered cut. This, no, I'm still sticking with it. It's no, it's a no. What I might do is push it up in a puff. But no, this is not gonna work. This is not gonna work, Eco Styler. I want my money back. This ain't gonna work. But yes, I wanted to come back on this camera real quick to show you guys how it looks dried up on my hair. Like flaky and no, no. I'm not impressed. I'm more unimpressed than I am. I ain't even slightly impressed. Not even at all. So like I said, save your coins, sis. You don't have to go out and buy this. It's not is not as dope as they hype it up to be. This gel is, in my opinion, garbage. Yeah. So, yeah, no, just don't even, it's not even worth it. But that's all I have for me. To you, be blessed, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.